welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivian. If you're new, I do all kinds of videos on fashion hauls, beauty, tutorials, vlogs, lifestyle videos, all sorts of fun things. So if you're into any of that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So today is super exciting. Of course, I love these videos. It is my trunk club review and try on. I have already unboxed my trunk club for June and I will be trying on everything here next to me. Don't forget to leave me a comment below and let me know what you guys think of each item, even though probably when you see this I will have returned the box, but I still take all of your comments into consideration for my future try-ons for sure. Shocker, I have a new stylist at Trunk Club. By the way, if you are watching this video to find out more about Trunk Club, I will leave the link below, so feel free to hit that and you'll find out all about it, what it cost, how often you can get your trunks, what's included, and all that kind of stuff. It's awesome. There's a Trunk Club app. You can basically message your stylist. It works perfectly. So definitely if you're new to this whole thing, subscription boxes, check out the link below. So let me just read you the note from my new stylist, Mila, or Mila, M-I-L-A, I'm guessing Mila. I don't know, let me know down below how you think it's pronounced. I'm so excited to send you your trunk. I've included pieces that will offer a lot of versatility while still being consistent to your amazing sense of style. Something that I love about this trunk is that all the pieces go together seamlessly, so any combination will make a great outfit. That's awesome. I don't know if you guys have heard of those type of like capsule wardrobes. I think they're pretty interesting. And let me know down below if any of you guys have tried that. I'm really loving the Tory Burch Espadrille and the Rebecca Minkoff bag. I just bought it for the side color detail. It's so cute, a bag you can use the rest of the year, classic clean with a pop of fun. The Eliza J Dress is gorgeous and all my customers love it. Can't wait for you to try it on and see how amazing it looks. I added in a pair of casual pants that's super cozy and will complement you comfortably. Very excited to see how they all fit and the attractive outfits you make with them. There's also a few other fun things in there that I thought you would like. I include lots of great outfits with the items in your trunk, so don't forget to look at those too. I cannot wait to see what you think of your pieces. I'll be in touch soon. Have a good one. Your stylist, Mila. Or Mila. She sounds really nice. I had messaged her a few times to let her know a couple things that I was thinking about, but I basically just kind of left it up to her to send me whatever she thought would be cute. So let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing that she was talking about is this dress right here. Okay, this is the floral print bell sleeve dress by Eliza J, size 4 in the color navy, $148. So a little bit pricey. This is what it looks like. It does have a built-in slip because it is a pretty see-through fabric, as you can see right there. It's got some pleated kind of like bell sleeves there, so pretty detail, and then it also has the pleating down below at the hemline. So got a little keyhole opening right there. I don't know that it's really my style so much, and also I think it'd be better off for the fall. Also, it's a little bit matronly. I don't know though, let me know if I'm off. Leave me a comment below. Again, this is the Eliza J Dress. So this one I'll probably be sending back, and as most of you know, if you're returning subscribers, I will put at the end of the video what I did decide to keep and what I paid, so you're not left hanging. I do love Eliza J brand. I think they have really good quality, pretty things. I just don't think this is quite my style, but let me know what you guys think. The second item is this dress. This was the weirdest thing. You will see this in the try-on. This is definitely going back. I don't even think I could alter this to look good on me, if you know what I mean. Lush surplus maxi dress, size small in the color black, and this is $55, so the price is fine. It is a maxi dress, very deep V here, opening at the side, so and a very plunging back neckline here as well. So just kind of very open and airy, which would be pretty. I'm all about it. Also has a like really nice long slit down the side. It is probably a little bit too long for me. I am a shorty, so I probably would have to have it hemmed, but I think there's just too many plunging necklines for me, and the side is very, very open. At first I thought I was putting it on wrong, but I'm like, it just doesn't fit my torso, my body. But I'm sure on the right person this would look beautiful, and the price is right on, $55. And this is a very nice quality, like more of a polyester material. It's not knit, so Quality is there, price is right, fit, all wrong, unfortunately. So I for sure will be sending this back. Okay, this is another one where the fit was completely off. This is the O'Neill Divina embroidered halter neck tank, size small, in white for $42. So the price is okay. Not much material here for the amount of money, but it's hard to see with the white. But there's some like embroidery on there, just real flowy. Again, just like very plungy, really nice for summer. I think would be awesome. And it is flowy here, so you could wear it with some like nice high-waisted jeans, which is what I've tried it on with. So I thought it looked cute, but definitely a little too plungy here for me, a little too exposed, and just I don't think too age appropriate. So again, I'm pretty sure this one is going back. But if you are age 17 to 25, I think this would be really, really pretty on you. I will have all the items linked down below in case you guys are not part of Trunk Club and can't ask for it from your stylist. You can just go ahead and order it down below. If I can't find the item for whatever reason, I will try and link something very similar, sometimes even less expensive. So don't forget to hit the description box and check that out. This is the Wayf Posy Strappy Camisole in Ivory in a size extra small, and this is $55. Not quite sure why she sent the extra small. Maybe these run big, is probably what I'm thinking, but this one was a little bit too tight on me. I think the small may have been perfect. The only thing I'm thinking is, and you guys can let me know, is what the heck would I do with the bra option? Probably a strapless, but you can still probably see it, so let me know. Check this out. Very plunging, exposed neckline here. Very beautiful though. The detail is amazing. Again, hard to see because it's white, or it's more like a cream, I should say, but hard to see. It is lined, which is super nice. But you can't go without some sort of a bra. But it's just very delicate, very sweet, really pretty, flowy. Just a really, really nice top that I really have been wanting to try. The price a little bit high, but I think the quality is there. This is more, again, of like a polyester. It's not a knit, and with all the embroidery going on here and all the detail, I think it's worth it. But this one itself, I think is going to be a little bit too small for me, just a little bit tight, especially kind of like right here and a little bit right in here. This is the roll tab sleeve woven shirt by Lush, size small. In the color Elephant, and it's $38. So price, ding, 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 right on. Love it. I love these kind of just like flowy high-low tops with the roll-up sleeve right here and that detail. I love the neckline, not too low, not too conservative. Just, I think I could definitely wear this top to the office. We could wear it, I could wear it out. So I think it serves quite a bit of purposes, and the price is 100% right, and the quality is there. So I think it's just a really, really nice top. I have other tops, like I think I have a cream one and a black one like this, and I just love them. I wear them all the time. So this one would probably get a lot of use. So I'm leaning towards keeping this one. Okay, the next item are these white jeans by Articles of Society. These are the Carly Distressed Ankle Skinny Jeans, size 28 in cans, and this is these are $68. So I think the price is great. I love Articles of Society. I have a ton of their stuff. This is what it looks like. These are fake pockets up front, which is actually pretty good because that way it just doesn't add too much bulk to your front side there. It's got the unfinished hem at the bottom, and then it has some distressing right here at the knee, just a little bit there, and then pretty basic in the back. So super plain. They're not super high-waisted, but they do stretch. They definitely stretch, and they let you breathe, and everything just gets kind of like tucked in really nicely with these. So good price, good fit. I really like these. I love the style. I think they're really, really cute. I do have another pair of white jeans, but they're not distressed, so this would definitely fill a niche in my wardrobe. Okay, so these are by Vince Camuto, pair of pants. The lace-up cuff deluxe pants, size 4, color green, $129. So right off the bat, I know with the price on a pair of pants for $129, they're not jeans. Probably won't be keeping these, but let me tell you, they are so comfortable. So here they are right here. Love the front. kind of like a cargo pant detail. Super simple. No pockets in the back. So I think it made my butt look a little bit big. Super stretchy, so love that. Just really cute. The only detail I questioned a little bit was that tie front detail, but I could probably get used to that. I think they're just, you know, something different, unique, cute. And the only thing is, if it gets like untied and stuff, that could kind of get in my way, and that kind of would be annoying to me. But other than that, I think they're cute. They are just a little too expensive. I know I probably won't be keeping these. I thought when I first saw them, they looked pretty tiny, and I was like, oh, I'm not gonna be able to even fit these over my thighs. But they fit great. Like I said, they're stretchy and really nice pair of pants. Good quality too. These are the Caslon Side Roush crop pants, size small, in chambray, and these are $59. So the price is okay. What the front looks like, so just really stretchy, comfortable, tie front. It does have some pockets in front. It has some pockets in the back. Super comfy pants. Cute. You could wear these. They're very lightweight. You could wear them now through the summer. And then they've got a cute little tie detail at the bottom, which is really different and unique. These are cute. I'm not leaning towards keeping these, but they're super comfortable, and you know, they're priced right, so I do like them. And very different, so I don't obviously have anything that looks like this in a chambray pants, so let me know what you guys think. This is the drop shoulder cardigan in a size small in olive, and the price is $59, so not a bad price tag. I love this. It's just like a gauzy, really nice colored cardigan, full length sleeve, kind of like inside out looking. Just open, no button, a couple of pockets here at the side, super plain in the back, just super comfortable and just a great material. Like I said, it's just this gauzy, lightweight material. I don't know that I need it, but I do love it. So it's very, very cool. I think it'd be perfect for summer, just to throw on over top of like a little cami that you have on or whatever, and some jeans. I think would be really, really cute. Or even to throw on at the office if your air conditioning is too cold, like my office, could be a good idea. So I really do like this. The next item is a bag, and this is from Rebecca Minkoff. It is a beautifully detailed bag. As you can see here, just gorgeous. It's got beautiful detailing on the side. Minkoff Sherry Calfskin Leather Satchel in multicolor, and the price on this is $395. Definitely not a cheap bag, but the quality is there. This is gorgeous, but I do not need another bag. Pretty much like I need a hole in the head. This isn't happening. I'm not keeping this bag. I don't need a $400 bag right now. As you can see, I've got plenty of other options, so I won't be keeping it, but I think it's a great option. And if you're looking for a good quality, just camel colored bag, these are so popular right now. The price is very good for the quality. This is the side, just kind of like a suede little strip there of each color. This one is leather, and then these are all suede. Opens up like this. I mean, I didn't even take all the filling out of here because I knew I wasn't going to keep it, but it's got a ton of room. I mean, you could really fit everything you needed in here. This could almost function as a diaper bag / purse for you moms out there. So I think it's just gorgeous. You could carry it like this and over the shoulder. You could even expand it here. So it is just a gorgeous, high quality, beautiful colored bag. Again, though, I know I won't be keeping it, but I'll have it linked below if you're interested in knowing more about it. I don't know that all the colors are necessarily something I would like. This part and everything else about it is just a nice bag. It's got the little legs at the bottom, which is great if you want to set your bag down on the floor or a table. So really, really, really beautiful option for spring and summer, and probably even into the fall. The last two items are shoes. Right here, these are from Free People. These are awesome. I love these shoes. These are the At Ease Loafer Mule 7.5. Apparently these run a little small because I do normally wear a 7. And these are carbon leather, and the price is $98. So that is what they look like. Super simple, but really, really comfortable shoe. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall off. Oh, I love these. The only problem is I just got some Steve Madden black mules with a gold buckle. So, and those are black. So do I really need these? Absolutely not. Would I want them? Sure, because they are very comfortable, so versatile. You could wear them in the summer, you could wear them in the fall. You could wear them in the winter depending on where you live. I can't, living in Michigan, but these are really, really cute. Super popular right now, super on trend. And last but not least are the Tory Burch Espadrilles. Color Block Espadrille Flat by Tory Burch, size 7 in black. And these are $198. So I don't need these for $200. I'm not gonna keep them. I do love them. And also they're too big, so I'm kind of happy that they're too big because I may have been tempted because they're super cute and versatile, and now coming into summer it would be adorable. So that's them right here. You've got the little Tory Burch kind of emblem right there. You can kind of see that. Really, really nice. I mean, just really nice detail, good quality shoe, nice leather. I think this would go with everything. They're just really, really, really versatile. So love these shoes, but they're a little too big on me. I know I won't be keeping them because of the price tag as well. So 2 strikes against them, fortunately. But they're so, so cute. Okay guys, that is everything in my trunk for the month of June. I am definitely going to give Mila a thumbs up for her first trunk to me. I think she did an awesome job. I think she really nailed my style. I am definitely giving her a thumbs up. If you guys like these kind of videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. And I will leave in at the end of the video what it is that I decided to keep and what I paid. So thanks so much guys for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.